Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we bring the road to life feel one ride at a time. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated sedans of the year, the 2026 Honda Accord. Honda's legacy of reliability, innovation, and practicality continues, but this time with even more refinement, sharper design, and next-level tech. From the moment you see the 2026 Accord, it's clear Honda's not messing around. The front fascia is sleeker and more aggressive, with the resculpted grille and full-width headlight signature that gives it a futuristic, almost premium feel. Aerodynamics play a bigger role this year, with subtle changes in body lines and an even lower stance that give the Accord a sportier silhouette while still keeping that elegant midsize identity. Under the hood, Honda offers a refreshed engine lineup. The base model continues with a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, tuned for better throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. Expect numbers around 34 to 36 miles per gallon combined, but the real upgrade comes with the hybrid trims. The two-motor hybrid system has been refined to deliver smoother transitions between gas and electric power, making it both more responsive and more fuel efficient at think up to 50 miles per gallon in real-world driving. No plug-in version yet, but rumors are swirling for 2027. Step inside, and it's clear Honda is chasing luxury without breaking the bank. The interior is modern and minimalist, yet packed with smart functionality. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen comes standard on most trims, now powered by Google built-in, meaning Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store are seamlessly integrated. The digital gauge cluster is sharp, customizable, and easy to read. Material quality has taken a step up, with soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and even optional wood or brushed metal trim depending on the model. Comfort is still king in the Accord. The seats have better lumbar support and heating is standard across more trims. Rear legroom remains class-leading, and the trunk still swallows more than most SUVs. Noise insulation has improved, thanks to acoustic glass and underbody dampening, making highway cruising almost eerily quiet. Honda Sensing, their suite of driver assistance tech, is now more refined too. Adaptive cruise, lane centering, traffic jam assist, and a new 360-degree camera system make daily driving easier and safer. The Accord doesn't just feel smart up, it is smart. Pricing starts around $29,000 for the base model and creeps up to the low $40,000s for the fully loaded touring hybrid. With what you're getting in terms of technology, efficiency, and comfort, it's still one of the best values in the midsize sedan segment. So, is the 2026 Honda Accord exciting? Maybe not in a tire-screeching, V8 thundering kind of way, but if you're looking for a car that nails the everyday essentials with grace, intelligence, and just a little swagger, this new Accord might just be your next legend. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you take the 2026 Accord over a Camry or a Sonata? See you in the next ride.